Before the Industrial Revolution, most people worked and lived in small farming villages. Primarily, they worked the land using handmade tools. As the Industrial Revolution began, artisans were replaced by machines.
The putting out system was developed so that raw cotton could be distributed to peasant families, and they would then take it and spun it into thread. John Kay invented the flying shuttle that enabled weavers to work faster. Soon this outspaced spinners. John Kay's invention allowed the shuttle containing the thread to be shot across a much wider bed. The flying shuttle allowed the thread to be woven at a faster rate, which made the process of weaving to become faster. James Hargreaves made the spinning jenny in 1764. This new machine was capable of spinning 8 threads of cotton yarn instead of the spinning wheels one. The spinning and weaving were still being carried out at home. This was possible because both the flying shuttle and the spinning jenny were small enough to be used in a house. In 1769, Richard Arkwright made the water frame, which were spinning machines powered by water. The water frame provided more power to the spinning jenny than human operators and reduced the amount of human labor. The water frame could only spin 1 thread at a time until Samuel Crompton combined 2 inventions and created the spinning mule in 1779. People continued to improve these machines and make them more efficient over time.
Steel played a major part in manufacturing. Manufacturers used iron because it was the strongest metal back then. It was stronger than bronze, however, it worn out quickly. It was costly for the consumers and the manufacturers. So when steel, a stronger version of iron, came out and was abundant in the market, manufacturing changed 180 degrees. Through the basic Bessemer process, cheap steel gave the ability to make tons of tools such as railroads, oil and gas pipelines, refineries, power plants, power lines, assembly lines, skyscrapers, elevators, subways, bridges, reinforced concrete, automobiles, trucks, buses, trolleys, and all types of tools. More and more, manufacturers became popular and necessary. Consumers saved time and money just by using steel tools. This led to more trading, which created more manufacturing. Railroads, machines, and tools would have not existed if it were not for steel, and manufacturing would have been popular without steel.
In 1901, Ransom Olds created the assembly line. Switching to this process let his car manufacturing company increase output by 500% in 1 year. Henry Ford improved on the concept of an assembly line by adding a conveyor system. In using the conveyor system, Model T could be made every 90 minutes. Although Ransom Olds created the assembly line, Henry Ford is known as the father of the assembly line. This process introduced mass production to the world.
Obviously, manufacturing changed over the course of history. New inventions really helped people use their creativity to create great machines that can benefit everyone. These manufacturing companies was the start of a new era to build a magnificent structure and everyday tools to support our needs.